Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today my topic how to linear spectral unmixing of hyperspectral data by ENVI Classic software. So let's start. Open the hyperspectral data. At first there is the class data of hyperspectral. So open the hyperspectral data. There is the atmospheric correction. This image to class image is the open and RGB color. The 33 band number 33 and band number 23 and band number 13. There is the class data or atmospheric correction of this data. There is the hyperspectral data. Next is the open of PPI image. PPI is the pixel purity index. This pixel purity index and minimum noise fraction and class. My next episode video available my channel. So display, new display and loader. There is the pixel purity index. So let's start how to linear spectral unmixing of this data or hyperspectral data. So let's start. At first create the n-member collection of this data. So let's start. Right click of this PPI image and quick statistics. There is the minimum value 0 and basic statistics band 1 minimum 0 maximum 30193. So maximum 3193 3193 3193. So next step is the overlay to region by interest and go to option to band threshold to ROI. There is the input of the PPI image and okay. There is the band threshold to ROI parameter, minimum threshold value, trace value, and maximum. Right click and minimum, maximum, write this value to input here. There is the minimum value 0, but here the input 2. Next is the maximum value 3193. So okay. Point where the found the given threshold measures the ROI from this lead. Yes, there is the complete. And next is the spectral to n-dimensional visualizer to visualizer with new data. Input MNF noise fraction data, MNF data. There is the input here, the MNF data here, and okay. There is the open or n-dimensional contour. Check this 1 to 10. So go to option to show axis. So there is the axis. The speed is the increase and decrease. So there is the speed and then the decrease is the 40. So start and create this polygon and right click export class to new class. Next is the create polygon, right click export class to new class. Export new. there is the complete. So go to this pixel, go to is the rate of this is the pure pixel of this particular image. Putting tools to link display. Okay, rate is the go to the there is the rate is the pure pixel. Next is the plus 2 and go to green is the this is the pure pixel. Next blue is the pure pixel. Next is the yellow, there is the one here is the pure pixel. Cyan is the pure pixel. These images are classification vegetation and water body. New region, and there is the cyan is the pure pixel. So right click. There is the pure pixel and name change. There is the vegetation. Change the color and green. There is the vegetation. Magenta. Next is the next is the class number 8 to see green. There is the there is this the vegetable water body. So the new class to zoom, create polygon, and there is the pure pixel. So there is the name is the water body. So complete these two features of this classification of hyperspectral data. One is the vegetation and another is the water body. So file to save a ROI. So there is the various of the data is the water body and another is the vegetation. Select two vegetation and water body. Output name. Linear spectral unmixing. So Let's start. Output name, get output file name, and okay. So let's start. How to linear space. There is the actually n-member collection of this particular features this classification, vegetation and water body. So let's start. How to linear spectral unmixing. Spectral to mapping methods. To spectral linear spectral unmixing input from class data of this particular image input to from ROI EVP from input file. So there is the linear spectral unmixing data input here. Next is the open input. So there is the vegetation and control. They select the two vegetation and water body and okay. There is the select vegetation only, but here select all and apply. So there is the unmixing parameter and output name. Inspector unmixing and okay. So open the linear spectral unmixing image. So open this linear spectral unmixing. So open the linear spectral unmixing image. So grayscale open this image. So at first the vegetation display, new display and load data. There are the there are classification of unmixing class. So link of this data, there is the properly dense forest and this unmixing classification. There is the over is the highlight this image. There is the upper vegetation area. There is the less vegetation. So there vegetation and there is the vegetation. Next, open of this water body of this spectral linear unmixing classification. So there is the unmixing classification. This is the river of channel. So link this main image. So there is the link and two image. There is the water body. There is the water body. So there is the water body. There is a water body. So there is the classification of linear spectral unmixing. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and latest update remote sensing and GIS related work. Thanks for watching.